Today we're doing unboxing this Tyent water ionizer model ACE11 or ACE11, and we're gonna install it. Okay, after removing the ionizer from the box, there's like two styrofoam on the sides and there's a plastic. You'll get like this parts right here. That's the pH reagent to test your water, uh, a regular wrench, uh, an elbow tubing connector, and this is a this one is a like a T-valve if you're going to put it or connect your ionizer on the tip of your faucet. This one is the end part for the drain for your acidic water, and you got this like a T-valve if you're going to connect your directly from the bottom of your water line for the cold inside your or underneath your faucet. And some hoses, one for the alkaline water and one for the acidic water. And you got this piece that goes on top of this ionizer. So what I have is like an extra Teflon tape, and I have a knife and a crescent wrench. This one I just brought it with me just in case I need it, but I probably won't use it. All right, here's the style of the faucet that we're going to connect the ionizer. It has a this piece right here, the faucet, and there's a sprayer. So even though it's like that, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna remove this piece right here at the bottom, and I'm gonna connect that T-valve, or I think it's called a diverter. Yeah, there you go. It's a water diverter, which is this one. So I'll be back once I get it installed. So I removed this piece right here on the faucet. I took it out, and because this one won't go in there, I need a what they call like a conversion part that are threaded on each side, one big one and a small one. So I'm gonna connect this piece first, which is the big part, to get into that piece. There you go. I put the rubber washer in there, prevent it from having any leaks, and I'm gonna connect this one. I put that rubber piece in there, and I'm gonna connect it here at the bottom. Okay. So now the diverter is hooked up already over here. So when you turn on the faucet, water comes out right there, and then we're gonna connect the hose on that side that goes to the ionizer. So we're gonna hook up this we're gonna hook up the hose at the bottom of this ionizer. We're gonna connect this extra elbow connector. And this one just goes in there. You're gonna push it in. Then now you cannot pull it out. But in order for you to say you made a mistake, you want to take it out, this piece right here, you're going to pull it out. No, I mean like press it down and then pull out the hose. See that? You push it down before you can pull out the hose. But looks like this one is a good tip. It's pretty straight, so we can leave that in there. So now it's tight again. All right, now we're gonna connect the hoses. This one, the elbow, I connected this elbow connector to the tip of this inflow hose, and this one goes to that red hole right there. So all you gotta do is push it in. So you just push it in. You wanna hold this one, the ionizer box. So you just hold it tight. And there you go. That's in already. And this one is for the drain. So you do the same thing. You just push it, and it's in there already. That's tight. So because the ionizer will be facing this way, so we're gonna put this hose like that, and the drain should go in here. So that's how I connected the drain hose going towards this part right here, and inflow hose is right here, and the power cord, just position it to the other side, and we're gonna position the we're gonna put this ionizer over there. But just to show you the filters, there are these two filters. You just open it up and you can see the first filter and the second filter. This filter is big and long and gives you adequate water filtration. And usually, depending on the type of water that you have, usually manufacturer states that the filters are good for 6 months. All right. Okay, now we position the ionizer over here. We already have the outlet over here. We're gonna run in the back, and we got the inflow hose. We measured it to be, we wanted to be around this length, so we can move it side to side. So we have enough of the hose. So we're gonna try to cut it right there, so as you can see, there's so much play. And then this one is the one that drains. This also goes to the drain. This outflow, but it also works as your turbo acid water. Turbo acid water comes out this way once you pick it. Once you pick that choice on your ionizer. All right, so we're gonna cut this one. And we gotta make sure that when we cut it, that it's pretty square. So you need a sharp knife. And that's pretty flat over there, so that's good. We're gonna connect it here. Gonna push that in there. And then we're gonna push it more in here. So now the inflow hose is connected to the diverter over here, and now you can move it side to side like that, and it doesn't affect the hose that much. So now we have these pieces right here, and this one connects to the drain hose. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert this like a suction cup. Put the this piece right here, so I can connect this to the sink. Just like that. So do you want this on the side or right here in the middle? Okay. So you can put right there. And this one, there's a connection in there where you could push your hose in the connector. And as you can see, it's all the way in. So you can put it right there. Maybe put a little bit of water. You can move this one if you want, like that. So now your turbo acid water can come out that way. So now we're gonna plug in. You guys already saw the filter, right? Yeah, there's a filter, the two filters in there. Yeah. Oh, before I forget, there's this important piece. It's the one where you're gonna get pretty much your alkaline water. And see, what's good about this model is like you can put it on either side of your sink. That's why they put this piece right here in the middle. So you can either go, if your ionizer, you want to put your ionizer on your left hand side, you can position it going that way. If you want it on the right, then obviously you want to put it on this side for this to come out. So we're gonna insert this. Just turn this. So once you feel that thing going feeling tight, and that should be good. So it's like a snake. Alright, so we're gonna plug this in. And top or bottom? Okay, here we go. Put that on the top. Ionizer turning on. There you go. Now this piece right here shows you the bottom, the F1 and F2 has a 0%. It's basically talking about your filter 1 and filter 2, and that it's at 0% because it's brand new, we haven't used it yet. So once this percentage number goes up to 100, that means that it's time for you to replace your filters. And we got the Alkaline. There's so now we already hooked it up. We're testing the water ionizer. So we're turning on the main source. So by turning this diverter on, it will go through the water ionizer hose, the inflow hose, and the white one, and then it will go inside, hit the first filter and the second filter, and then depending on what do you want to drink, alkaline, H2O, regular water, filtered water, acid water, or turbo water. So you just, let's say you want to drink alkaline 2.
Alkaline level 2.
And then the water is going to go this way. And then now you can get your glass, fill it up, and drink that water. You want to turn it off, then you just press it again and it turns off. But now we're basically just checking for any leaks. So the alkaline water comes out from this side of the hose, and while it's doing that, the acidic water comes out this way on the drain. So because that's what the ionizer does, it separates the alkaline to the acidic water. Alright, and thank you very much for watching.